guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. We're getting ready to make fried chicken croquettes. Yes, chicken fried. And the reason why I call them chicken fried is because we're not going to dip them in eggs and put breadcrumbs on them. These are going to be floured and fried. So they are fried chicken croquettes. The ingredients are simple and the process is easy. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Okay, let's go ahead and get our fried chicken croquettes made. We're starting off with some leftover chicken. You can feel free to cook your chicken first if you want to. This is chicken breast that's just been cooked and shredded. We're going to add in some mayo. This is going to be our base right here. Want them to be nice and creamy because you're adding things to it. Now I'm going to add in some green and red bell peppers. I don't pre-cook my vegetables, my onions, my green peppers because I like a little bite to mine. But feel free to saute yours first if that's the way you'd like to have yours. Going in now with some onion. I'm gonna go in with some Old Bay here. I've got celery seeds I'm putting in. And I will leave the ingredients and everything down in the description so you can make it too. This is garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm only making a few. I'll leave the recipe for a full amount in the description. Salt and some cracked black pepper. Now we're going to mix this all in until it's really well combined. We have it all well combined right now, and this is where you want to go in and give it a quick taste. Remember, the chicken is already cooked, so feel free to taste it. You want to make sure you have all your seasonings in. Okay, perfect. Because once you form the patties, you can't go back in and really season it anymore. Now, we're going to take this and sit it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. You want this to firm up to make the patties easier to form. We'll be right back. While your mixture is in the refrigerator, go ahead and add some flour to a bowl. Then we're going to add in some cornstarch to the flour. This is going to ensure we have nice, crispy chicken croquettes. Give that a good mix. And let's go grab our chicken mixture. Also, you want to prepare a baking dish. I have some wax paper on this baking dish. You can use parchment paper because we're going to form the patties. Then we're going to put them in the freezer for a few seconds, or refrigerator if you don't have room in the freezer, just to firm them up so they can fry better. So once you get your mixture out of the refrigerator, give it another stir. And you'll be able to tell that it has firmed up some. And that's what we want. Now, take some oil, any kind of oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, doesn't matter. And you want to put some in your hands. Make sure your hands are clean and rub that in your hands. This is going to help you be able to form the patties real nice and easy. You can make your patties as big as you like or as small as you like. You just want to take it and press it down into your hands just like that. That oil is going to help you be able to manage it without it sticking really bad. Once you have the patty formed to your satisfaction, go ahead and take and put some flour on it. Now, sometimes during this process, you may find that you'll need to wash your hands in between because they'll just get a little bit too messy. Go ahead and shape it the best you can. Make sure you have flour on all sides. Don't worry about any excess flour that's on there. It'll come off as we go along. Just like that. And we want to sit it on our tray. Continue with that process until all your batter has been used. Okay, they are now ready to go into the freezer. The better you shape them now, the better the presentation will come out when you are all done. Do not worry about the excess flour that you see on there. That'll be just fine when we get ready to fry them up. Well, here I am just making a spicy mayo dip. I'm just simply using some mayo and my favorite red hot sauce and combining it well. You can use this with ranch. You can also make an actual sandwich. Grab you a bun, some lettuce, tomatoes, pickles. All of it is absolutely amazingly delicious. Okay, our oil is just about heated up, so let's head to the stove. Okay, so our oil is just about hot enough. You want to bring it up to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. But the excess flour that's on here, just take a brush and simply brush most of it off. Now that they're frozen, and they don't have to be absolutely frozen solid, but they need to be good and firm. Let me show you, they come up easy, see, and then just shake off that excess flour and it comes right off. They need to be nice and firm, okay? So let's go ahead and get these chicken croquettes fried up. I am in the quarterfinalists of the favorite chef competition. Thank you all so much for voting for me every single day. Right now, I get to send in my plate dish to Carla Hall for Carla's pick. But starting Monday, I need you all to keep voting for me every single day. 3 more rounds to go. I thank God and I thank you. I will continue to remind you each and every day. Let's take this thing all the way. Thank you so much for your vote. Okay, so you want to gently sink them in the oil. The oil is hot. Shut off any excess flour there. And you want to hear that sizzle when you put them in. Remember, your chicken is already done if you're using leftover chicken or you've already cooked it. And so remember that as you're frying these up, they don't actually have to cook on the inside. So I'm just going to do 3 at a time. I don't want to overcrowd my skillet. We're going to let these just fry just like this until they're nice and golden brown. Look at how beautifully golden brown that is. Oh my goodness, and they smell amazing. My 2 spatula method. We are all done. I am going to garnish it with a few pieces of fresh parsley from my garden and a little bit of lemon zest. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Take a look. Chicken fried chicken croquettes. Ooh. Oh, let's not forget our dipping sauce. And I have my little piece over here for a taste test. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out today here in my kitchen with me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And for my channel members, thank you so much for your loving, faithful support. I appreciate all of you guys. Without further ado, delicious. Oh my goodness. And I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.